The Christmas tree is the heart of every holiday home, a symbol of warmth, joy, and togetherness. Whether you love classic red and gold or prefer a sleek, modern look, your tree tells a story. From lighting to ornaments, every detail matters. Let's explore Christmas tree decorating ideas that make your home sparkle with festive spirit. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best way to add lights? Use warm white for a classic glow, or multicolored for a playful touch. Weave lights along branches rather than just around the outside for dimension. Lighting perfect, like this if your glow feels magical and bright. What's a good ornament strategy? Mix large, medium, and small ornaments for balance. Hang heavier ones deeper inside branches and lighter ones near the tips for a layered effect. Ornaments styled like this if your decorations feel just right. What color palette works best? Classic red and gold never go out of style, while silver and white feel frosty and elegant. For a unique twist, try blush, teal, or navy tones. Colors picked like this if your palette shines with holiday cheer. How should I start decorating? Begin with the lights. Wrap them evenly from top to bottom. Then add garlands, ribbons, and ornaments in layers for depth and visual balance. Lights glowing? Like this if your base is ready to shine. How do I make a small tree look full? Fluff branches, layer ornaments, and add extra garlands or picks. Choose fewer but larger decorations to create the illusion of fullness and height. Fullness achieved? Like this if your small tree feels big and bright. How do I finish the look? Step back and check balance, spacing, and color flow. Adjust until everything feels harmonious, then turn on the lights for that perfect glow moment. Final glow ready? Like this if your tree feels picture perfect. How do I choose a theme for my tree? Start with a clear theme: traditional, rustic, modern, or whimsical. A focused theme keeps the design cohesive and helps you pick colors and textures easily. Theme decided? Like this if your tree feels ready for its big moment. How do I add ribbons or garlands? Start from the top and drape them diagonally or in soft waves. Mix textures like velvet or metallics to add luxury and movement to your design. Garlands placed? Like this if your tree flows beautifully. How can I personalize my tree? Add family ornaments, handmade crafts, or keepsakes. These special touches make your tree meaningful and tell your unique holiday story. Personal touch? Like this if your tree reflects your family's heart. Can I use a tree topper creatively? Yes, stars and angels are classics, but try bows, flowers, or branches for a fresh look. The topper should complement your overall theme and height. Topper chosen? Like this if your finishing touch shines bright. Can I mix natural and artificial elements? Yes, combine pine cones, dried oranges, and berries with glittered ornaments or lights. The mix adds depth and brings warmth to modern designs. Style blended? Like this if your tree feels fresh yet festive. What about the tree skirt or base? Choose a tree skirt that matches your color palette. Plaid for cozy charm or metallic for glam. Basket bases and faux fur add modern texture. Base styled, like this if your tree stands tall in style. Decorating your Christmas tree is more than a tradition. It's a joyful ritual that fills your home with love and light. Whether classic or creative, every ornament tells a story of the season. This year, decorate with heart, style, and a little sparkle of your own. Feeling inspired? Like and check back for more magical holiday decorating ideas.